ito po yung sa may ano ko. Ay, saan to?
Ito.
Wait lang, ito po yung sa may sa kanya. Tapos, i-unbox niya daw po. Pakita mo ha, dito ka, lapit ka. Lapit ka siya.
Kukulose ko lang.
Bago to guys, ha, hindi to yung dati ha.
Mm.
O sa akin naman, wait lang, pupost ko lang. So hello guys, eto sa akin, ay puti ko. Ay, ayan sa kanya yung kanina. Ito yung sa akin. Liam, takpan mo mata ko. Takpan mo mata. Tama ba?
Tama. Hindi, ganyan. See?
May kasama pang bago guys.
Patingin.
Oh my God. Guys, try nyo.
Guys, akin try nyo mas-satisfying.
Oo nga, satisfied. Diba? Yun!
Bye-bye, guys.
Hindi pa magsasailing pa. Oh, panoodin mo kami mag-trade wait lang. Tignan mo kami sa may next stage See you on the next stage, bye. So, ito guys.
YouTuber
nasa
na din ako.
stage. Oo, YouTuber na din siya guys. Tapos, ate ko, YouTuber na hanggang, alam mo, hanggang
100.
100. Nakalagpas na din siya sa 100.
Lil Teka.
Huwag ka na mag-flex kay Lil Tecals. O ikaw mauuna, kahit ano doon pwede. Kahit doon. Kahit tayo dito, pero bawal bahay.
300 million.
Oy, wait lang.
30 million subscribers si Teka. Ito, super rare fidget.
Bruh! Are you kidding me? Ayoko to.
Super rare fidget yan.
Ako naman.
Ito.
Piano. Oy, ako naman. Oy, ako naman. Oh.
Ano yan?
Wait lang.
Ako naman.
Oh, magulay.
That's mine.
Hindi, kunyari lang. Yep.
Guys, that's mine. They're borrowing me. They're borrowing me.
Yep. I'm gonna choose yes. And yep. My turn. Guys, wait. Guys, wait. It's a fidget. What?
Fidget? What?
Wait,
Fidget.
wait.
This
wait.
is mine. I'll accept.
Okay.
My fidget. Real fidget.
Now mine.
Puppet fidget. Now I have a collection, collection of fidget.
Hey!
This is my collection of fidget.
Okay, Liam. Go.
Don't say my real name.
Liam.
Don't say my real
What?
name. Ellie?
So, Ellison.
Elia Crystal G. Nicholas.
Bro, that's my man!
Ha 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 ha.
Okay, now go find something to... Ah!
Fidget.
A fidget! Oh my god. Go. Add it in here. I choose yes, so I add.
You turn.
Okay. This is yes and this is no. Yep.
No.
Okay.
Find something.
Let's do it like this. Oh, Liam, gusto mo dito tayo? something. Hurry up! Oh my god! Am I hello? Why is that working?
You need to connect this.
Oh, okay. But no. Now I will find
My papa said.
Now I choose this. Now what do you want?
Yes.
That,
Give me this.
but that is for you. That's now yours. Yep, I just gave her. He just ran away. Let me just keep him. You're so annoying. I hear you running. What do you want to trade? Oh my god.
Now I have 2 dumplings.
Sorry, but I have rights. Get this back.
Now your turn.
Okay, I'm gonna find something. Wait, guys. A new phone.
Bruh. That is my phone, dog. That's my phone,
No,
dog.
that's not.
That's an 8 phone.
No, that's
Dog.
just mine. So that's yours. Now, what do you trade? Hey,
Wait.
trade something. So you're gonna vlog too. Or you don't like that? What? Tell me. You want to
Figures.
return this back?
Nope. And you're gonna return it back.
What?
This.
You're gonna return this back?
No, you're gonna return this back to me.
Yeah, it's already yours.
Okay.
Yeah, trade. Yes. Want to trade this?
This is mine now.
No, I don't want this. Okay, take that and take this. Then I will have this. Next. Meron pa tayo lalaro. And guys, patawanan. Patawanan. Diyan, patawanan.
Where is the bullet?
Oh, hell no. Guys, oh, hell no. I gotta run. I gotta run.
Wait.
Oh, hell no. He's opening the bullets.
Nakasaklak pa ata yan sarado.
Guys, this is my shotgun.
Oh my god, guys, we have to run. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Mo!
Oh my god. Oh my god. He's gonna shoot me. He's gonna shoot me. Oh hell no, dead end. Guys, watch him.
I'm here too.
Come back here.
Kayo magtakbo nga.
I'm going here. Safe zone dito.
Ito din pa nakakaabot sa safe zone.
Safe zone. Safe zone. Oy, safe zone. Nasa safe zone ako. Liam, hinihil na kita.
Hindi, ikaw.
Nahil na. Oh.
Walang heal.
Heal.
Walang heal ka na.
Liam, dito na. Liam, takbo na dito. Liam,
Baksan.
Liam, takbo na.
Namatay na doon si Liam.
Dito.
Hindi niya siya pwede heal. Doon na lang natitira.
Liam.
Doon na lang to.
Oy, safe zone to. Safe zone. Ooh. Ay, iba naman. This will never end. Liam, come here kasi. Dito ka kasi. Liam, dito ka kasi. Pinapagpulong.
Ikaw naman siya. Tapos natalo daw kayo.
Safe zone to, safe zone ah.
Natalo daw kayo? Natalo daw kayo?
Ayoko na. Guys,
Bakit?
iba naman.